Okay, Pranam everyone. Today I am going to give the 13th lecture on HTML. In the previous lectures, in the previous last three lectures, I am giving lectures on some topics based on table tag. I have told you all the I have told you that whenever you want to display any type of information in tabular form, then which tag need to be used. And if you want to that means whenever you want to display a table in the form of row and column, then which tab is required for that, and inside um, which tags are required for that. And also I have told you that if you want to customize that particular table, then which what are the attributes which are available in table tag. Okay, and you can use all those attributes according to your choice and interest for customizing that particular table. Except this, I have told you all the attributes related to tr tag. That means with the help of all the attributes of tr tag, you can customize each row of the table as per your need, as per your choice. And in the same way, I have told you all the attributes related to td or ts tag, so which you can customize each cell of the that particular table according to your choice. Okay, so you must have remember in the last lecture I have given you some work to revise all the attributes and tags which are related to table tag, and I hope that you all must have run, and you all must have revised all the tags and all the attributes related to all the main tags of a table tag, is table tag, tr tag, and td tag. Today I am going to design an HTML document in which I will use all the attributes of table tag, tr tag, and td tag, and according to by using all the attributes I will design a table according to that, and I will give you the output also, that how that particular table will be displayed. Okay, so see properly. So the first tag of that document will be HTML tag. After that you will use head tag, then you will use title tag for giving the title to the particular web page. Sorry. After that I will close head section. Just below the head section I am using body tag, and in this body tag I want to give the bg color. That means I want to set the background color of that particular web page, that is you can say pink, and I want that the table should be displayed on the web page by giving some space from its top. So that means I have to use top margin attribute in the body tag, and I am giving the space that is 50 pixels. In the same way I want the space should be given in the left side of the web page also. Okay, that whatever table is going to be displayed, that should be displayed on the web page by giving some space from the top and from the left also, left border. So I'm giving here the space of 70 pixels. Okay, and that is okay for. And after that, I want to give, I want to use table tag, and I want to give the title to that particular table also. So for that title, I have told you that you need to give caption tag, info tag, employee. Whatever text you are using in between starting and closing caption tag, that text will be displayed as a title of the table. So your title of the table should be related to the table content which you are going to display in the table. So I am going to create a table. I want to display a table in which the information related to employees of a firm will be shown. So that why I have given the title of that particular table, that is employee. Okay, and now just after that, for creating the first row, sorry, uh, I need to use all the attributes of table tag also. So that means border attribute, that will be for thickness, 2, border color, that is blue, height, I'm giving here 500 pixels, width, I'm giving here 500 pixels, alignment, at least I'm giving center, background attribute I'm not using here, bg color, the background color I'm giving of that attribute is yellow. I'm using only these attributes in table tag. That means the table which will be displayed on the web page, the border thickness, the width of the border should be 2 pixels, border color should be black, sorry, blue, height of the that table should be 500 pixels, width of that table will be 500 pixels, alignment of that table should be center, and the background color of that table should be yellow. Okay. After that, I will use the TI tag. In TI tag, I want to give the separate color to each row. So BG color, I am giving, that means suppose red, height I am giving to 20 pixels, and alignment of the text I am giving center. Okay. And after that I am using TD tag, in which name of the employee. So in place of TD, because I want to make this first row that header row, so name should be display. After that, name, department, post. So in this, we'll have to wait. City. After that, I will grow the T item. So you can see from here that in the first row, this is the first row of the table in which the content of in which four cells will be displayed, and in the first cell the content will be shown, that is name, the second cell that is department, third cell post, and then city. Okay, and all the cells will be the content of all the cells will be displayed in the bold letters. Okay, because I am making this particular, all the contents of this particular cell as a header. Okay, clear. And in the first row, the background color of each cell will be red, height of each cell will be, the complete height of all the cells will be 20 pixel, and alignment, that the content which will be shown in each row, that will be shown in the center of the cell. Okay. Now after that, I am using creating the second row of that particular cell, and in this row I am giving the bg color of this row, that is green, and height, and giving it 10 pixels, and alignment of each content of the cell I am showing, that is right. And after that, I will use TD tag, because all the contents of all the cell need to be displayed in its normal style. So this time we will use TD tag, and that is name of the first employee will be shown the first cell. After that, department is account. Okay. After that, I will grow the second row. So in the second row, the background color will be show green, height of all the cells will be set into 10 pixel, alignment, that means content of all the cells will be displayed to the right border of the cells, and all the cells will be displayed in its normal style. Okay. Now in the third row, I am not using any type of bg color, any type of height, pixel number of pixels for setting the height. I am not using the alignment. I want to remain that, or as a default. Okay. Now delete that. Now in this row, I want to change the background color of each row, each cell. Sorry, suppose I'm giving that white, and the horizontal alignment of that particular cell, that is this cell, that is left. Vertical alignment I'm giving here, that is top. Okay, and I'm closing here, converting here. Second cell, I'm giving the background color, that is silver. Horizontal alignment I'm giving here, that is center. vertical alignment I'm giving here. It is middle. The content I'm giving here, suppose manager. Sorry, this is department. Sorry, so I'm writing here computer department. Computer department, and the third cell I have to show the post system administrator. In the third cell, I am using the background color. It is gold. Horizontal alignment I am showing that is right. What alignment I am showing that is bottom. Then I'm writing the content system administrator. Then I will close the third cell, and the fourth cell I am remaining all the settings or this particular cell that is default. So I'm not using any particular type of attributes in this tag. So I'm just writing that is Mumbai content. I'm writing only. I'm making it default, and at the last I will close the TFT. So you can see here that in this particular table I have made only three rows. The first row, that is the header row, in which all the titles will be shown in its bold form, and in the second row I have set the background color, height and alignment of the row according to our choice, and in the third row I have set the background color, horizontal alignment, vertical alignment of all the first three cells according to our choice, and third cell I left it as it is default. And now I am making all the rows. I am going to close the table tag, and at the last I am closing that is body tag, and at the end I am closing the HTML. So after writing completing your document, you will save your document with a particular name, suppose my table dot html on the desktop, and after that you will open this particular document on the web page, and web browser, that you will see the effect of all the attributes which will be displayed on the table, which will be displayed on the web page according to the given, according to the specified attributes. Okay, so do the practical, create this particular document. You can add as many rows as per your need. I am here only two rows of two employees only. You can add as many rows as per your need, as per your choice, and in all the rows, in all the cells, you can use all those attributes which I have already told you. Okay, so create this particular document only on notepad. Do not use any type of specific application for writing the coding of HTML. Writes, use simple text editor, use notepad, and write this coding, and save it and run it on your web browser, default web browser, whatever it is available on your computer system, and see the effect. Okay, so you are in beginning stage, so do not use any type of specific application or software for writing coding. Okay, use only simple text editor for that. Okay, so today it is all. The next time we will discuss about two more attributes which are available with TD tag, core span and row span, which are used to merge the columns and merge the rows of a particular table. So we will discuss in the next term about all those attributes of TD tag. Okay, till then, goodbye.